Gemini, welcome to your reading for April 2024. Please take what resonates and leave the rest. This is a general reading. Let's see what Spirit wants to say to you and for you this month in time. I believe that this month is a transformational month for many. Oh, wow, Gemini. I wish you could see what I'm looking at. So I spread out the cards on the table, and there's one card in here from another deck. It's not supposed to be in here, but is supposed to be in here because obviously this message is for you. And it's the Great Gathering. Can you see where my cat chewed on this? It's the Great Gathering, and it's all coming together. Intuitive hits and soul tribe. Gemini. So Spirit wants you to know all the things, all the many things that you're doing right now, all of the projects, the things that you've been working on. It's all coming together in a really beautiful, powerful way. You may not see how it's all going to come together or how it may even make sense for it to all come together, but it's coming together in a really powerful way. And you can trust the intuitive hits that Spirit is giving you. You can trust where you are being led. And also with the soul tribe, that means that your soul tribe is arriving, and to maybe even reach out to members of your soul family. And it could also mean that there are soul contracts that will be activated this month in time. You may be meeting a soulmate. You may be just meeting a kindred spirit, someone who is part of your soul family. Anyway, important connections are coming in, and that's been an overall message through all of the readings for this month in time. That's beautiful. Let's get a card from this deck though. So no matter what, know that it's coming together, and Spirit wants to remind you that there is power in numbers, Gemini. And then we have Child of the Cosmos. The intelligence of the universe lies within you. So this particular card always reminds me of the oak tree seed or the rose seed. The rose seed has everything within it to become a rose. It has the knowledge, it has the wisdom, and if it's given the right sunlight, the right amount of water, it will turn into a beautiful rose. So you too are like the rose seed, in which you have that wisdom within. You have everything within you to become the greatest and best version of yourself. And to remember that you do have the divine wisdom of the universe within you. All of us do. All it takes is for us to turn our attention to it. And just, you can say this right now or type it in the comments below. I am willing to know myself as the mystical consciousness. I am willing to know myself as the mystical consciousness. Universe, show me what's mine to do next. Universe, what is my mission? Universe, what is my next step? And then just allow the space for it to open up for you, Gemini. But remember that everything you need is within. You will never find it without. Okay, meaning out in the world, okay? So beautiful, beautiful. I want to get one more for you. Give me one more guide card before I go into regular tarot for Gemini. Give me one more guide card for Gemini. Gemini, Gemini, Gemini. And it is, you got the love here. You've got the love of all the universe with you right now. And it's Hadrian energy, codependency, and boundaries. So you may be looking at your close relationships this month in time, Gemini. You may be looking at how you have been codependent. You may need to put boundaries down around people, places, and things that are taking your energy, and really standing up for yourself and speaking your truth, Gemini. All right, beautiful. Thank you so very, 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 very much, Infinite Intelligence. Okay, before I get to tarot, I'm going to get to regular tarot, I promise. We're just going to get you a Spirit Oracle message as well. What else would you like to say for the sign of Gemini for this month in time? So far, remember, it's all coming together. You have the intelligence of the universe within you, and look at the ways you might have unbalanced relationships regarding codependency and some boundaries. Okay, we've got 3 messages. Am I doing all 3 of these messages? Because that's going to take a moment, universe. I'm just going to cut the deck for fun and for time's sake, and it is. It's time to hit the reset button. Oh, okay. Clear out the old so that room is available for the new to enter. Trust that better things are coming fast. Prepare to move to the next phase of your life. This is your rebirth. Welcome this beautiful brand new energy. You've got this. I love this. Brand new energy. So take that advice. Clear out the old to make room for the new this month in time. Did I say it was a transformational month? I think I did, but if I didn't, it is a transformational month for, I feel like, the collective consciousness. All right, let's get into regular tarot. I've got these little tarot cards. They're the Witches Tarot that I'm going to use today. I love them. They were speaking to me earlier, so I'm going to use them. They're so small. I was not expecting them to be this small when I ordered them. I thought they would be a lot bigger. But anyway, Infinite Intelligence, what else would you like to say for the sign of Gemini for this month in time? Please and thank you. Gemini, Gemini, Gemini. We had a 3 of Swords reversed, which means there's a healing with your emotions, with your heart, perhaps the healing of heartbreak. And a 4 of Swords energy as well. This is a very different 4 of Swords from what I'm used to. So what I'm going to say is, Gemini, guard your heart if you need to. Protect your heart. Make sure you're keeping it safe and that the right people have access to your heart. Also feel that you are coming out of some form of karmic situation where your heart was broken, and perhaps you are still feeling regret, remorse, or guilt around this. So this month in time is just important for you to heal your heart, to heal your emotions, to let go of the past. It's also very important with our 4 of Swords to rest, even though she's definitely not resting here, which I think is an interesting message. So I feel that you really do need to rest your energy and stop ignoring your body, and really take a break here this month in time. Just honor your energy levels, Gemini. And I also feel that with the lunar eclipse and with the solar eclipse that's coming in on the 8th, that a lot of karmic situations, karmic people, etc., are going to be cleared out of our experience. So I really feel that the worst is behind you, Gemini. And I'm looking at you got the love card again, which makes me think that that love is coming in for you. I know that we've talked about love for you since March. And so if for some reason love has not manifested for you yet, it still is happening. Perhaps you needed to get clear of some old karmic partners, or karmic situations in order to allow the space for this love to come in. You're right on track, you're right on time. And with that, we do have a Queen of Pentacles here for your energy, which means there could be some form of abundance that is coming in. This also means to stay grounded with your energy, to nurture your energy, and to remember that you deserve the abundant life. An abundant lifestyle is what I just heard. You deserved it to have that, and it's happening. Remember that it's all coming together at this time. Also, this is an earth sign, so I don't know if perhaps this heartache or heartbreak came because of an earth sign energy. So Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. I'm hearing it's time for harvest, or will be soon time for harvest, like harvesting the fruits of your labor here as well. Also hearing that either you want a new home, or a new home is going to be available for you soon. If you've been feeling like moving, then this month and time would be a good time to start looking, or to actually jump ship. I heard that for another sign. I can't remember which one, but anyway. Gemini. Wow, Gemini. We have the High Priestess here. And the Moon for your energy. There is definitely like a deepening of your psychic and spiritual gifts this month in time. This could also equal a big revelation from your subconscious mind. Like something is probably going to come to light this month that you may have missed, and this could have been triggered by the solar eclipse. I mean the lunar eclipse. But I do feel that there's a big epiphany that's going to come to you and for you. Can you tell me more about this, please and thank you? Infinite intelligence. What else can you tell me for the sign of Gemini? Ooh, Gemini. Gemini, okay. If you have felt stuck, it is going to be the end of being stuck for you, okay? But there is an internal and external change that does occur for you as a result of something that you discover from your subconscious mind. You can even ask, like right now, hey, if I've missed something, if I consciously have missed something from my subconscious mind, please reveal what needs to be healed, what needs to be seen. Please reveal to me, so that I can make the appropriate changes, so that I can be on my highest timeline, and then just open the space for that to happen. But we had the Death card jump with the Hangman reverse. So to me, this means like the end of delays this month in time. External change, internal change, external change, and the end of delays. Also hearing that the codependency stuff that we got with You've Got the Love definitely comes from an old pattern from childhood that needs to be broken, okay? Anyway, what else can you tell me for the sign of Gemini? All right, we just jumped. What? Wait, Gemini. Woo! Gemini. Okay. then you have the Tower. The Tower. But it was reversed. So, to me, this is, okay. What Spirit is saying for this month in time. There may be a particular situation in which you may feel really worried about it. Something may come up, it may be business, it may be love. I'm not really seeing the situation, but this is the message about the situation. Everything's gonna be all right. Okay? Everything's gonna be perfectly fine. Don't stress yourself out regarding a particular situation. I wanna know more, but let me know more. Don't stress yourself out, because with the Tower reverse, it means like a like disaster averted. Okay? So something may seem like it's gonna be a disaster, but it actually turns out to be a blessing. Wow. Wow. Wow! I'm just as amazed. Like, this is why I love my job. Thank you. A blessing with the Ace of Cups here. A blessing. A love offer of some kind could be coming in. This is bliss. This is joy. This is it. Moment. Wow. A new beginning is arriving for you. This is, did I say overwhelming joy? Did I say that? So from maybe some chaos that could occur for you this month, there's a major blessing. There's an opening of the energy. Oh my gosh, get excited. Get excited. And what else is here? We have a Queen of Swords. And so this is just hammering home the need for boundaries. This also indicates that you will have clear sight or clear vision about your next steps to take. Follow the signs, follow the synchronicities. And I just love how she's like, she has her sword and she's like, come on, bring it. Bring these blessings to me. Is that a fairy in there? I can't tell. There is a fairy. So you have divine help, okay? All the way around you. We always do, but you definitely do. And then this is also meaning like communicate your vision, communicate clearly. This is also could be your energy totally. Well, I mean, I'm talking about it as it being your energy, but it is a air sign energy. All right. Like, it looks like you might go through it a little bit this month, Gemini. I'm not gonna lie. You might go through it. But there's a turning point. It's the ending of karma, stepping into your power again. It's about you also, so this is feminine energy. We have a lot of feminine energy, like mostly, like all feminine energy actually. So this is about you allowing yourself to receive gifts from the universe, allowing yourself to receive divine help. This is about you really digging in, going inward and discovering what needs to be discovered so that you can break through the matrix, for lack of a better term. Have some sort of breakthrough here. And it is on you to do what is necessary. So follow that guidance on your heart, and as you follow the guidance on your heart, you have a 9 of Pentacles. This is like standing here at it and your completion, looking at what we've created, the beauty that we've created, the wealth that we've attained. This is somebody who is extremely abundant and fruitful. So this is where you are headed. And underneath that we have the Empress. So giving birth to new circumstances, which would definitely go back in alignment with it's time to hit the reset button, clear out the old so that clear out the old so that room is available for the new to enter. And it says that in this reading. I mean, there is a clearing of the energy, and in which you receive a beautiful blessing from Spirit. And with that, Gemini, let me get you an angel number, infinite intelligence. What else would you like to say for the sign of Gemini? And it is 803. Your prayers for help with your finances have been heard and answered. Let me get you another one. And it's going to be 519. Hold positive thoughts about your career. Avoid worrying or complaining about work, as your thoughts are steering the journey of your divine life purpose. And then they want me to read 520 as well. Trust that heaven is helping you change your life in positive ways. And let's get you an affirmation. To activate this affirmation, please put it in the comments below. Also like, subscribe, and leave me a comment if what I said resonated with you today. Remember to take what resonates and leave the rest. Not everything I say is going to particularly relate to everyone, because we're all having all kinds of life situations occur. But it is my intention that at least a couple different messages to resonate with you today. And it's going to be liberating love. Woo! I mean, that goes in alignment with this Ace of Cups, and it goes in alignment with you've got the love. Wow. Gemini, are you excited yet? And it says, I allow myself to receive all the fulfillment I'm willing to give. One more time, Gemini, activate this in the comments below. I allow myself to receive. She's like this. I allow myself to receive all the fulfillment I am willing to give. And with that, Gemini, thank you for allowing me to be of service, and have the best day or night in all creation. Namaste.